Hello, my name is Andy Mante. I started practicing Tai Chi in 1983 and I've been teaching Tai Chi professionally since 1999. The style of Tai Chi demonstrated on this DVD is Chen style. Chen style Tai Chi is the oldest form of Taijiquan from which all major styles originate. It is based on a profound body of ancient knowledge, which has influenced the Chinese way of thinking through the ages. It draws upon the principles of the I Ching, Book of Changes, the Yin-Yang theory, and Taoist philosophy. Chen Tai Chi combines the study of traditional Chinese wushu, martial arts, Chinese medical theory Jinglo, energy channels, Dao Yin, leading and guiding energy, and Tu Na, breathing methods. When people in the West hear the words Tai Chi, they conjure up images of elderly people moving serenely in city parks. Outwardly, it appears slow and soft, but inwardly it is strong, and it should be practiced at various speeds. Historically, Chen Tai Chi was developed as a dynamic fighting system. The idea of one achieving optimum health, confidence and calmness through the practice of a powerful and effective combat system might seem contradictory. But Tai Chi is one of the exquisite works of Chinese martial arts and is loved for its positive effects in health preservation and self-defense. Classes follow traditional methods as taught in the Chen village. We start with foundation exercises, which stretch, loosen, strengthen, and relax the body. Silk wheeling exercises, which train the body's spiraling movement and improves body coordination. We then work on Tai Chi forms, beginning with the short form, 18 movement, and then moving on to the traditional long form, the Lao Jia Yi Lu. After time, we cover partner work with push hands, routines, fixed and moving step. With regular practice, you will improve your body's posture, balance, and core strength, and in doing so, reduce tension and stress in the body. Your mental and physical health will benefit from Tai Chi.